Assalamualaikum. How are you? Today's lesson is about sound. You can refer your textbook page 111 to 120. We can hear sound all around us every day, such as people talking, blah blah blah, cat meowing, meow meow meow, bird chirping, chip chip chip, or vehicles, pom pom pom. In general, sound can be useful. Or harmful. As I mentioned just now, we can hear some sound such as bunyi kereta, bunyi burung dan lain-lain. But you should also know that there are sound that human cannot hear. Only animals do. This is called ultrasound. So, what is sound? Sound is a vibration that can be heard by a human or animal ear. Remember the word vibration. Vibration is getaran. How sound is produced? It is produced when something vibrates. For example, when the stick hit the drum head, it vibrates and produces sound. Other example, when the flute is blown, the air inside the flute vibrates. What else? Apa lagi contoh yang menyebabkan objek vibrate atau bergetar untuk menghasilkan produce sound atau bunyi? Yes, clapping. When cymbal pieces are clapped together, they vibrate. Okay, some more example? Yes, plucking or bowing. When the string of the guitar are plucked or bowed, they vibrate. Now, let us move on to properties of sound. Number 1, sound travels in all directions. For example, during recess time, waktu rehat sekolah, when the bell is ringing, everybody around the school can hear the sound. Kamu berada di tingkat bawah ke, dewan ke, tingkat atas, di padang, kamu boleh dengar bunyi loceng. This is because sound travel in all direction. Number 2, sound can be reflected. When the sound travel and hit hard surface, it will be reflected. Dipantulkan, patah balik bunyi tadi. Such as when you shout in a cave or in an empty hall, the reflected sound is called an echo, gema atau bergaung. Misalnya, bila kamu laung nama teacher kat luar gua, bunyinya teacher. Sama je macam kamu panggil teacher. But when you shout my name ataupun nama teacher dalam gua, bila kamu laung teacher, dia akan bunyi teacher, 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 teacher. But kalau bunyi tu dipantulkan lain macam je bunyinya. Kamu lawan nama teacher, dia keluar nama ha 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 ha. Cabut larilah, jangan tunggu lagi. Gurau saja ya. Now, let us move on to phenomena of reflection of sound. Reflection of sound is used by humans and animals in various ways. Example, bats use reflected ultrasound to navigate and detect the location of their prey. Remember, only animals can hear ultrasound, not humans. Humans cannot hear ultrasound. In the medical field, ultrasonic machines are used to detect organs in the body of a patient or fetus in the womb. Maksudnya, reflected ultrasound digunakan dalam perubatan. Contoh, doktor dapat lihat keadaan bayi dalam kandungan ibu hamil. Contoh lain, untuk nelayan, mereka guna sonar teknologi di mana reflected ultrasound is used to detect object in the water. Seperti mereka nak lihat kawasan ikan, kedudukan ikan-ikan ataupun kedalaman dasar laut. Next, we go to useful and harmful sound. Refer your textbook page 118 to 119. Sound can be used for communication, entertainment, emergency alert, and notification. In a noisy environment, kawasan yang bising-bising sangat, it is very difficult for us to communicate. Kita terpaksa cakap kuat-kuat dalam suasana bising, tak dengar. Ada juga noises from vehicles, kenderaan, can cause disturbance and stress. Bising bunyi kenderaan. If you are always hear loud noises, selalu sangat dengar bunyi yang bising kuat-kuat, you may get hearing problem. For your information, the unit for measuring the loudness of sound is decibel, dB. Loud noise that exceeds 85 dB can damage your hearing. Finally, we come to reducing sound pollution, page 120. A very loud and harmful noise can be referred as sound pollution. So what is sound pollution? A very loud and harmful noise can also be referred as sound pollution. How to reduce atau kurangkan sound pollution? Kurangkan pencemaran bunyi. Number 1, by wearing ear protector. Example, airport ground staff use ear protectors to prevent ear damage from the excessive aircraft noise. Using sound absorbers like carpets, curtains, and windows reduce sound vibration. Planting more trees can reduce noise pollution too. How can trees reduce noise pollution? Trees can reduce noise pollution by using its stem, leaves, branches or woods to absorb sound. Okay, till we meet again. Thank you.